Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. Today, first of all, Mr. Belle would like to thank all the subscribers, all his viewer watchers, and the ones been watching and wondering how to subscribe. That's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, I'll be doing something different in this Power XL. Today, we was running a little late and everything, so what we did, we just picked up some vegetable spring rolls. As you see, the boxes they look delicious on the box. I'm gonna see if I can make them look even more delicious and tasty. And all the ingredients is on the side of the box right there. Tell you what it is, like the yams, the onions, the green onions, the yams and sweet potatoes, and also the beans and carrots and cabbage. So we're gonna air fry these today and see how they come out. Put them in air fryer and everything, set it up and see how they come out. They come out very tasty and everything. This right here, I brought this at Costco. It's just a quick little dish and everything. Come in with your sauce and everything. We have a lot of sauce in this pack and everything. Also, we have the egg rolls right here. They look like they're nice and healthy and everything. We're gonna open this up just like this. And we're gonna put some in this plate right here. As you see, they're nice and wrapped and everything, round and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna set a couple of them right here on this plate right here. And I'm not gonna do the whole bag and everything. I'm just gonna do a few of them and put them on this plate right here. So my ingredients, as you see, is gonna be the vegetable spring rolls, and I'll be spraying it with a little olive oil. And I'm gonna set this on 375 for 10 minutes. The box say 8, but I'm giving extra 2 minutes, maybe 10. I can always not use it all. So I'm gonna set this to the side and I'll be right back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this on air fry, which you see air fry right here. Press air fry. I'm gonna set it for 375, it's on. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the minutes right here. And I'm just gonna use 10 minutes. Set it for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna press start. And I'm gonna just spray it a little. Like that, that's enough. And I'm just gonna start sitting them in, just like this. See how they come out. And I'm gonna sit the top down, let it cook for about 5 minutes. You know, Mr. Belle like taking you step by step, so I'm gonna put everything to the side. Okay, it's been 6 minutes, so what I'm gonna do, raise the top out. You know, Mr. Belle like take you step by step. We're gonna take a look at them and see how they look and everything. We just kind of flip them right quick. Just like that. And I'm gonna put this top back down. And everything's looking good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the top down, let it finish cooking. Okay, it's been 8 minutes. I'm gonna take another little peep. That's not sure it's coming out looking good and everything. So I'm gonna let it run the other 2 minutes. Okay, the time right here is up. It's been 10 minutes. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna take these out. As you see, they looking nice and good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press cancel. And I'm gonna take these out, just like this. As you see, it's looking nice and good. I'm gonna sit them right over here. Okay, this right here is vegetable spring rolls. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try one and see how it is and everything. I'm gonna just take my and put it right here on this thing, see how it tastes. It's hot. I don't want to burn my mouth too much. Just put it right there. Put that back. See how it tastes. As you see, it's looking nice and good and everything. That right there is very delicious. The sauce is good too and everything. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you.